learn the nitty-gritty about securities transaction tax, its applicability, levy and income tax applications. Before we understand how the STT is levied, let us find out what is this tax all about. STT stands for Securities Transaction Tax. This tax was introduced in the 2004 Union Budget and came into effect from 1st October 2004. As the name suggests, STT is a kind of financial transaction tax levied on every purchase and sale of securities listed on India's recognized stock exchanges. The idea behind introducing STT was to curb evading of capital gains tax on profits earned by transacting in securities. It is a direct tax collected at the time of the transaction. The Securities Transaction Tax Act governs STT. The STT Act has listed various taxable securities transactions. STT is levied on taxable securities including equity, derivatives, units of equity-oriented mutual funds. It also includes unlisted shares sold under an offer for sale to the public included in IPO and where such shares are subsequently listed in stock exchanges. Commodity and currency transactions are exempt from STT. The rate of STT differs based on the type of security traded and whether the transaction is a purchase or a sale. Here's an exhaustive list of charges levied as STT for your reference. For instance, while buying or selling a delivery-based equity share, the purchaser and seller both need to pay 0.1% of share value as STT. Similarly, while buying units of an equity-oriented mutual fund, the buyer need not pay any STT. However, while selling units of an equity-oriented mutual fund, the individual will need to pay STT at the rate of 0.001% of the unit value. STT is non-refundable and unavoidable. Moreover, STT cannot be claimed as part of the acquisition cost or reduce the capital gains tax liability. The long-term capital gains tax on equity is 10% of such capital gains exceeding Rs 1 lakh and short-term capital gains are taxed at 15%. If a person declares income or loss from trading in securities as a business income, he or she can claim STT paid as deductions towards business expenses.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.